Think about this. If your home were marketed like any Apple product, we would hear rumors about your home coming to market long before it hit the MLS. Months before hitting the market, pictures of your home would be leaked to hundreds of websites. Then, weeks and days before going live, there would be a major effort to get the word out about your must-have home. You see, the bulk of Apple's marketing is done well before the product ever hits the market. But that's just not how it's done in real estate, is it? No, maybe an agent will put out a coming soon sign in the yard or tell a few people that you'll be selling in a few weeks. Certainly not the Steve Jobs and Apple approach to selling for maximum dollar, right? When your home hits the market and it goes live, how many buyers will be standing in line to get in? Will it look like an Apple store on the day the new iPhone is released? This should be your experience. If you'd like to discuss with me further how you could benefit from our pre-marketing, you can reach me, Frank Polsinello, at polsinello.ca or at 905-830-9111.